everyone, we're in Peoria, Illinois today, which is central Illinois, and we're at Luthy Botanical Park. Okay, we're starting off in the woodland garden. Look how the sun comes through on the hostas. Those are some big hostas. Huge leaves. And we didn't realize, but this backs up to the Peoria Zoo. So directly across from us is the zoo for the area. There's bottlebrush buckeye, and they even gave us a little nameplate for it. And the bench looks inviting out in the sun. And I've never been to this garden before, so I'm not familiar with it. We have a shrub here that's just finishing flowering, it looks like. It has little white flowers on it. And today it's a gorgeous day. We got, there was heavy rain last night, and I don't know if they got that here in this area. But right now I'd say it's in the high 70s, maybe the low 80s, and sunny. And they have lots of hostas behind me under the trees. And we've got some of them named. Sunpower. There's an oak tree right there blowing in the wind. There's a different color, that bluish green color of the hosta. And then a bench back in the back, tucked in, with some low hedge behind it. We have a more formal garden over here. I see a circular area. Well, now this puts you in a quandary. Do you go this way and check out? I see urns and a sundial. You know that's calling me, and an arch. Or if I come to the right, there's another path that leads away. So which way do we go? And then there's also a pathway straight ahead. You can see, this looks like it's going to pull us more back into the woodland area. More of that bottle brush. Oh, and the bees. Let me show you this. They are liking this. They're all over this, the white flowers on this shrub. Stepping stones leading to a path that goes through there. Okay, so that just took us like in a half circle, because if you see straight across, we're back to where that circular hedge is with. Let's go check that out. In full bloom with all the white flowers. Okay, these are boxwood, guys. Look how nice they look. Let me step back so you can see how big they are. Those are some really tall boxwood. So I would say probably 7 foot tall. And so here's the path. There's a pathway walking up. Let me back up. And then there's a surround of boxwood where the boxwood are taller on each side and of the trellis. And then they shorten them as they go around the circle. Oh, this is the herb garden. So I'll start here at the right and go around. So you can see there's some butterflies. And the stone bench in the back that has herbs in the seat growing. The sundial. What a unique little space. So we've got a coneflower and feverfew. Lungwort. Bee balm in the back. Some very tall bee balm. But you can see on their boxwood how it's tall and then it just gradually, they've trimmed it down so it's shorter back here in the back. I'm curious to know what variety that is. That would get almost 7 feet tall. Got some English lavender. Garden thyme. And I like their pavers, very pretty pavers. Going to the bench. I don't know if the camera will pick up all the bees and butterflies in here. But they are definitely enjoying it today. Okay, and in the pot it says it's bay. These pink flowers, pink lavender flowers are pretty. What are they? Soapwort. Oh, and I'd say way back in the back, it's done now, but I would say that was Baptisia in the back there. And we have some salvia up here in the front. And they don't have their urns planted up, but they are pretty. Look at that walkway. That is just a really pretty walkway. I like in the distance how they've formed their trees, how they've shaped them. So it gives it even more of like a private arch area where you feel like you're walking into a room. And here we're at the beginning of the arch, and it's totally covered in treed. And that looks like they formed the tree behind it. They've done like an espalier behind the boxwood. Oh, and they have an opening here in the boxwood with a little bench. A lot of sweet peas back there that are on the ground. It looks like they had peonies that have already bloomed, and then we've got a bench under a tree. Oh, look at the trunk on the cork tree. That is interesting. It's rainbow sorbet rose. It's a pretty single pink rose. And then more roses with some tall grass in the back. And then the catmint. And their sunflowers are in bloom, and they are pretty tall. But that's a really pretty color. That's a nice, all those nice textures straight ahead with all the different colors of the different evergreens, and then the flowers at differing heights. We're heading into this conservatory, but I will mute it because they do have music playing. So come along with me and let's go check it out. And this is called the Wildlife Garden. Those look like Annabelles, maybe? I don't see a nameplate on what they are, but that's kind of what they remind me, with their mop heads and the way they drop down. So we've got some bird houses. We have an arbor that has vines all over it. Looks like maybe trumpet vine all over it. A stone bench. Thanks for coming along with us today, and that was a tour of the Peoria Luthy Botanical Park, and I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's Luthy.